How to add or remove the music panel to the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on display. Next, we go down. And from here, tap on edge panels. From the edge panels, tap on panels. From here, you swipe across. Then tap on music. So tap on the music panel here to add it to the edge panels, or you can delete select it to remove it from the edge panels. So here, if I select music, you can see if I swipe out my edge panels and then swipe across, and you should be able to locate the music panel. In here, you can play a song, you can tap on the next button or the previous button, and you can tap on the Samsung Music icon at the bottom to open up the Samsung Music Player. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.